Hey everyone, welcome back. In my last video, we have done question number 4 of exercise 3.1 of the chapter data handling, chapter 3 that is, and for class 7. So today we are going to start from question number 5, and in question number 5 it is written, the following table shows the points of each player scored in 4 games. So here you can see there are 3 players A, B and C given. Okay, A, B and C, these are the 3 players. They are playing games, game 1, game 2, game 3 and game 4. And in each game, each of the player has scored different scores. Game 1, A has scored 14 points. Game 2, B has scored 8 points. Game 3, C did not play. In this way, in all the 4 games, which scores they have done, means A, B, C have done, is mentioned through this table. Now, on the basis of this table, some questions are given. So, let's read them. So, in question number 1, it is written, find the mean to determine A's average number of points scored per game. So in game 1, A has scored 14 points. In game 2, A has scored 16 points. In game 3, A has scored 10 points. And in game 4, A has scored again 10 points. And as we are getting 4 different observations, so we will divide it by 4. So after adding these all, we are getting 50 and divided by 4. So if possible, let's convert it to decimal number. It will be 12.5. So this is the mean score of A and which he has scored. Okay. So let's come to the next question. So in question number 2 actually, it is written, to find the mean number of points per game of C, would you divide the total points by 3 or by 4? Now the question arises here. Here in game 1, C has scored 8 points. In game 2, C has scored 11 points. In game 3, C did not get any score because she has not played the game. And in game 4, C has scored 13 points. So, she has not played one game. So, why should we divide the number by 4, means the sum of all the observations by 4? Because we are getting only 3 observations, because she has not played game 3. We are getting 3 observations, so the sum of all the observations must be divided by 3. Okay, the number of observations which we are getting is 3 here, because we are not getting one data of game 3, because she has not played that. So we will divide the sum of all the observations by 3. Okay, let's come to the next question. In question number 3, it is written, B played in all the 4 games. Yes, we can see all the different scores of B in different games. So, in the question it is asked, how would you find the mean? Exactly in the same way like A. So, let's add all the observations for B in 4 different cases. Game 1, 0 points. Game 2, 8 points. Game 3, 6 points, and game 4, 4 points, and this will be divided by 4, because we are getting all the observations here we are getting 4 observations, so we will divide the number, means the sum of all the observations, by 4. So let's add them all. So this is the mean score of B which we are getting here. Okay, if you are willing to convert this fraction to a decimal number, you can. If you are not willing to do, then don't do. Let's come to the next one. So in question number 4, it is written, who is the best performer? For finding it, we have to find the average scores of each player. So for A and for B and for C, we have to find the mean points which they have scored. Okay, so for A, we have already found that the total number of score was 50, and she has or he has played 4 matches, so the average or the mean score of A will be 50/4. Now for B we have already found that it will be 18/4, and for C it will be 8 plus 11 plus 13/3. Okay, so let's add them. 32/3. Now after comparing these all fractions, you will understand that who has performed the best. So let's write it in decimal number. So after finding all the mean scores, for A we are getting 12.5, for B we are getting 4.5, and for C we are getting 10.6. So among all these 3 players, A has scored the best. Okay. So today up to this class, we have done all the 4 sums. In my next video, I will show you how to do question number 6. Till then, stay safe everyone. Bye.